We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to add binary coded decimal numbers. Again, we're supposed to rewrite this problem first. So I have 0, 1, 1, 0, and this is 0, 0, 0, 1, and I have 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, plus 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal 1. Please notice that this is binary 9. 9 is okay, because this is the decimal digit. Okay, so we've finished with the first part of my addition. Next, we have 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Now, please notice that this is binary 10. We said that these 4 bits supposed to represent decimal digit. Now, the greatest decimal digit which we can have is 9. 10 is too much. That's why we're supposed to add 6 to it. So I have 0, 1, 1, 0, plus. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and carry of 1. This carry of 1 is supposed to come down. Keep in mind that we're supposed to have groups of 4 bits. I have just 1 bit over here, so the remaining bits are zeros. So my answer is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 1. Other words, 61 plus 48 is equal 109. And this is the solution to my problem.